Hi everyone. 4, which means 2 to the power of 2, also 16, which is equals to 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 2, the power of radical x, which is equals to 2 to the power of 4, the power of x. To the power of 2 times radical is 2x, 2 radical x. Also, radical 2 to the power of 4 times x, 4x. Radical a, which is equals to a the power of 1 over 2. So 2 to the power of 2 radical x, which is equals to 2 to the power of 4x, the power of 1 over 2. To the power of 2 radical x, which is equals to 2 to the power of 4 times radical 2. 4 times radical 2x. 2 to the power of 2 radical x, which is equals to 2 to the power of 4 times radical 2, 2. So 2x. Now, a the power of x, which is equals to a the power of y, the same base, so x, which is equals to y. In this case, 2 equal to 2, so 2 related with 2, so 2 radical x, which is equals to 2 to the power of x, divided by 2 both times, divided by 2. 2 cancel out by 2. 2 cancel out by 2. So radical x, which is equals to x, both sides by square. Radical cancel out by 2. So x, which is equals to x square. Shift to the left side or the right side. X square with minus x is equal to 0. So the common value is x. X into x minus 1, which is equals to 0. So we have two cases. Case 1, x, which is equals to 0. Also, case 2, x minus 1, which is equals to 0, which means x, which is equals to 1. Check it. 4 the power of radical x, which means radical 4 the power of radical 0, which is equals to radical 16 the power of 0. Now a the power of 0, which is equals to 1. 4 the power of radical 0, which means 0 also, which is equals to radical 16 the power of 0 is 1. So 4 the power of 0, 1, which is equals to radical 1, also 1. The answer is correct. Also check number 1. 4 the power of radical 1, which is equals to radical 16 the power of 1. Now 4 the power of radical 1 means 1. So 4, which is equals to radical 16, which means 4. Thank you very much. If you have any question about mathematics, you can send your question in comment section. Thank you.